I'm going to show you how to make an invisible join. So this is great for anytime you are knitting something in the round, whether it's a cowl or a hat or mittens or whatever. Oftentimes, especially when you're new to knitting, if you join sort of the traditional way, you'll end up with this weird, like long string that you don't know what to do with. Especially when I was new, I was running into that issue a lot. And so I found this method to do the invisible join, which is fantastic, and it sort of eliminates that issue. And so what you do is you cast on one extra stitch above and beyond whatever your pattern calls for, which I'm doing now. So now I have one extra stitch on my needles. I am knitting in the round, so the most important part when you join is ensuring that your cast on edge is not twisted on your needles. So it is not twisted, and I do have that extra stitch. So we want to get the tail out of the way. Let's get the tail out of the way. And then the way that you do the invisible join is you slip that first stitch off of your left needle onto your right needle, and you do it purlwise, meaning you come in from the right all the way through that stitch, and you push it off into this next needle. So now it's over here, it's been slipped onto my right hand needle. Then you take that extra stitch on your right hand needle that you cast it on, so that would be the next one, and you just kind of lift it up and over the stitch that you just slipped. And so what I'm doing here is I'm kind of going up and over with my left needle, and with my right needle I'm going down and through, right? And then you just let it slip off. So now it's joined, and that extra stitch has been slipped off, so you have the correct amount of stitches, and now you just continue knitting your pattern as the pattern suggests.